Yo, am I the only one that thought this was super tough? Alright, so this would be a very, very good excuse to bring a pillow into class. Honestly, it doesn't seem right, but it's so oddly entertaining. I could do this all day.
For a spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down. The medicine go down. Medicine.
Alright, so I think this is the most unnecessary thing to buy I've ever seen in my life, but I need it right now. Yo, get the hell out of here, bro. I can crack an egg faster than this.